Rid respiratory mucus with salt. Don't ignore Grandma's old recipe. Stay with me until the end of this video. You'll discover essential information you never knew you needed. Respiratory mucus, that stubborn, uncomfortable buildup that makes breathing difficult and leaves you feeling miserable. I struggled with this exact problem for years, trying countless over-the-counter medications with minimal relief, until my grandmother shared her simple yet remarkably effective salt remedy that changed everything. This traditional approach isn't just folk wisdom, it's backed by science. Researchers at the University of North Carolina found that salt solutions can significantly improve mucociliary clearance, the natural process your respiratory system uses to remove mucus and trapped particles. What makes this solution so effective, yet so overlooked by modern medicine? Salt has natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help break down mucus while also creating an environment hostile to bacteria and viruses. According to research published in the International Journal of Chronic Obstructive Pulmonary Disease, saline irrigation can reduce respiratory symptoms and improve quality of life for people with chronic respiratory conditions. Grandma's salt remedy works through a mechanism called osmosis. When a salt solution contacts mucous membranes, it draws out excess fluid from swollen tissues and thins the mucus, making it easier to expel. The Mayo Clinic confirms that saline solutions can effectively relieve nasal congestion and help flush irritants from your respiratory tract. Here's how to prepare this simple but powerful remedy. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of non-iodized salt, sea salt, or Himalayan salt works best, with 8 ounces of distilled or previously boiled water that has cooled to a comfortable temperature. For enhanced effects, add a pinch, roughly 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, which helps balance the solution's pH to match your body's natural chemistry. There are 3 effective ways to use this solution. 1. Nasal irrigation. Using a neti pot or nasal rinse bottle, gently flush the solution through one nostril and out the other while leaning over a sink. The American Academy of Otolaryngology states this can remove allergens, irritants, and excess mucus while reducing inflammation. 2. Saltwater gargle. Gargle with the solution for 30-60 seconds before spitting it out. Research from the Journal of Global Infectious Diseases shows this can reduce upper respiratory symptoms and help remove mucus from the throat and upper airways. 3. Steam inhalation. Add the solution to hot water in a bowl, place a towel over your head, and breathe in the steam for 5-10 minutes. A study published in the International Journal of Otolaryngology found this method can help loosen mucus and reduce congestion. For best results, use the remedy 2-3 times daily, especially during respiratory infections or allergy seasons. Many people notice improvement within the first day, with significant relief after 2-3 days of consistent use. While this remedy is generally safe, there are some important considerations. Always use distilled, sterile, or previously boiled water to avoid introducing harmful organisms into your respiratory system. The FDA and CDC emphasize this precaution to prevent rare but serious infections. If you experience burning, stinging, or worsening symptoms, dilute the solution with more water. Those with certain nasal conditions, such as a deviated septum, should consult their healthcare provider before trying nasal irrigation. Tracking your progress can help optimize this remedy for your needs. Note your breathing comfort, amount of mucus production, and any changes in congestion after using the salt solution. Many find that morning and evening applications provide the most consistent relief. I personally was skeptical until respiratory congestion left me desperate for relief. After trying Grandma's remedy, I experienced noticeably easier breathing within hours. The persistent mucus that medications couldn't touch began to thin and clear, and my respiratory passages felt more open than they had in weeks. This isn't about replacing appropriate medical care. It's about incorporating a simple, effective, and research-supported approach that generations have relied on. Sometimes, the oldest remedies remain relevant because they genuinely work. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and share it with someone who might benefit. Have you tried salt remedies for respiratory issues? Share your experience in the comments below. Your insights might help someone else find relief. Remember, addressing respiratory mucus promptly can prevent more serious complications and improve your overall comfort and health. This simple salt solution might be exactly what you need for clearer, more comfortable breathing.